What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your images black and white in Canva. So this is very easy to do. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to also add another image here so that you can see even better that it's going to look black and white. So how about, let me just see what I can, let's just type girl, for example. I can add a girl possibly on this. So maybe I will add her. And right here, she has a background, so I'm going to just quickly remove the background. But yeah, I want you to see that, it's super easy to add black and white images. So yeah, we have two-person in the image right now. So to add your images in black and white, all you have to do is click on the image, then click on edit. You want to use the filter, so click on filter. And the one that I like to use is this option called near. And you will see in a moment once I find it. And yeah, this one. So it's these are all the mono colors are really good for black and white, but specifically the newer one is the one I like. So you can easily use this to make your black and white images. So click on the image, use the newer, and you easily turn your images in black and white. And that's it, guys.